Good morning. I am here to go over your activities for today. Today, you've got just two activities that I really want you to focus on. I want you to continue with yesterday's seesaw activity on what is a folktale using Mayan. Several of you got that turned in yesterday and did a pretty nice job with it too, if I must say so. Today, you've got your two lesson ones, one for humanities and one for STEM. In STEM this week, we're going to be going into the relationship between multiplication and division. We spent a week with multiplication and a week with division since we've been back. And this week, we're really going to work on marrying those two together and what that relationship is and how they are the inverse or the opposite of each other. In your lesson, I have linked a YouTube channel for you. In this YouTube channel are all of our song and chant videos from Mrs. Sousa, as well as a video from me going over a description of that relationship using a Google slide presentation that we used in class. So it's all review information this week. And don't forget, you've got your DMR in there, as well as some Pearson pages. When we get into our humanities lesson, I want to kind of go through that with you and highlight the things that I really want you to focus on. I've gone through it this week and I've really highlighted all of those directions for you and given you a few extra details from me. So we're going to be continuing with rocks and fossils, and you've got some new text this week. Here, the first task is that you're going to watch a video to gain some background knowledge before continuing on. And then you're going to be using text features page, which here I tell you the slides 9 through 12 on the right side of your screen to help you out with that. You're going to use what you've learned about the text features to make a list of the text features in this table on slide 3. So we've got photos. Tells you to choose 3 that you want and what information you gain from those text features. Bold words. Choose 3 bold words, 1, 2, 3, and then what information did you learn from those bold words? And then the diagram on C8, which is right here. Okay, diagram gives you that's not the diagram. Here's the diagram right here. Okay, so this is your diagram. It's on slide 11. And then I want you to, in the chart, you're then going to give 3 things that you learned from the diagram. Okay, your next task is, how is mineral gold different from a diamond? Your information goes into that. So please make sure you go to these slides over here. After that, your next activity is to complete your DLR right here. So alphabetical order, correct words to fill in the blank, sounds, text features, fact and opinion, cause and effect. Okay, so here on this slide number 6, there's some language support for you. So it says for our ELL learners, but this is really for everyone. As I review some vocabulary words, what is a text feature, what a photograph is, what bold words are. So really use this slide 6 here for those things that you might have forgotten about since we learned about it and reviewed them earlier this year. Okay, I'm going to show you the YouTube channel. So here it is. We've got all of our songs from Mrs. Sousa. Okay, so you can review them. Oop, those are more. We just want the ones from Mrs. Sousa. So here we've got all of them. You can practice them. Tutorial means that it's a teaching video, so you can relearn it if you've forgotten them and then practice it again. Remember, we do not have a 2 or a 5 video. 2s, you should be able to count by 2s, and 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's an easy one for you to practice. Remember, we also don't have a 9s video. On 9s, you multiply by 10 and then take away one set of 9. So if it's 7 times 9, I'm going to do 7 times 10, which is 70, and then take away a 7. Sorry, not a 9. Take away a 7, so it'd be 63. And I'll have that video up here for you to help you practice that. I will see you guys later. It's about to kick me off, and I will have a Zoom set up for you on Thursday. Bye.